Welcome! So our first project is gonna be for Instagram. So first off, in your My Projects, you probably won't have much here. And so just go up to the top right, go and click the plus sign. Then you'll see your three options, so post page and video. We're doing Instagram, so any type of just flat picture, choose post, click it. What do you want to say? So this is the main text that is going to appear on your post. And you can choose the type of post on the bottom, so Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or more sizes. There's more social media templates like Pinterest or YouTube thumbnails. But don't worry about that. You can always change it later. You can also change this later as well. But we're going to do a surf shop. We're going to do a 30% off Labor Day sale. So that's the main message we want to get across. So 30% off Labor Day sale. Click continue. Then wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a little while. And there we are. So the first thing we're going to do is take an overview of the different options we have. So up here on the top right, you're going to see about 4 options: resize, theme, palette, background, and text. And we'll go through each one so you know how to customize your post to your liking.